In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Gemini AI and connect it to your Google Drive for a seamless document chat experience. Whether you're new to Gemini AI or just need a refresher, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. First things first, head over to the Gemini AI website. If you've already got an account, you can go ahead and log in with your credentials. It's usually just a matter of entering your email and password to gain access. For those of you who might be joining us for the first time and haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to take a moment to sign up. Just follow the easy prompts on the website to get yourself registered and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, the next step involves finding and opening the document chat feature. This part of Gemini AI is where the magic happens, allowing you to interact with your documents in a chat-like environment. Look for the section labeled Chat with Documents or something along the lines of Workspace. This is your gateway to linking your cloud storage, and it's where you'll spend a lot of your time if document interaction is your main focus. Now let's connect Google Drive, which is a powerhouse for document storage and management. Start by clicking on the option to connect Google Drive within the Gemini AI interface. This action will prompt a new window to open showing the familiar Google login page. Select the Google account that houses the documents you're looking to work with. You'll be guided through a straightforward process to give Gemini AI the necessary permissions. This means allowing it to view and manage the files stored in your Google Drive. Don't worry, this is normal, and it ensures that Gemini AI can access the documents you need to interact with. Just follow the prompts, and in a few clicks, you'll have everything connected. Once this integration is complete, you'll find that Gemini AI becomes an incredibly powerful tool for managing and interacting with your documents. The link between the two platforms allows you to harness the capabilities of Gemini AI's document chat, all while keeping your files securely stored in Google Drive. It's an efficient way to take your productivity to the next level without any extra hassle. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully signed in to Gemini AI and connected your Google Drive. This setup sets the stage for a new level of document interaction, making your workflow smoother and more intuitive. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're ready to dive into all the possibilities that Gemini AI offers. Thanks for watching and see you next time.